Okay, today's a special day. It's Cheerio's birthday.
Two old
We're gonna listen to somebody singing for
Hey, Donna,
you.
this is Judy from the USO.
Not that one.
This is for Cheer. This message is from Cricket and Nanny for Cheer. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cheerio. Happy birthday to you. And that's Cricket
With a
her
rooster.
turkey saying happy birthday to you. You are 11 years old
Are you ready?
today. So have a good birthday, and I hope your mom gets you something to eat special tonight. I know it's too late for a
Crimpet.
Egg McMuffin, but tell her you want something. Here, Cricket is
Good night.
like I am completely crazy. So you have it. You play this for Cheer when you get in.
Can you put bears in his bowl?
Monday, 11.
Get ready. This is his birthday cake. Go. Go ahead, that's your birthday cake. He doesn't know what to do with it. Bear's done his. There it goes, all gone. That was good, huh? Ready for your presents now? Let's get your presents. One's for Bear. I think that's Bear's. Is it got his name on it? Yeah. Here you go, Cheers! A present from Crimpet! You gotta open it! You gotta open it! Go ahead! Come on! Look! He doesn't know how to open them like Crimpet does. Good. Open it. All right, what else we got? Biscuits. We know what they are. Okay, what do we say? Speak. 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 Uh-oh. There goes his first. That's not good. Good boy. You didn't open your presents. Speak. Say thank you. Thank you, Crimpet. Thank you, Nanny. Say thank you. He's not saying anything. He would otherwise be barking. Say thank you. Thank you. Cheerio. Cheer. Okay, happy 11th birthday, Cheer. Can't get you to say thank you.